Right, so the next motion we're going to take a look at in LioranBoard is volume. It's quite a cool one. We've spoke about changing the volume, but this basically allows you to create a fader. So I'm going to create a new button. So create a button just here, and I'm going to put volume 0 and press create and press add commands as we've done previously in the past. We'll press the plus sign, and on the left I'm going to type in motion again to pull up all the different source motions, and we're going to use volume this time. This can be any source. As you can see, I'm just using a microphone source right now. As you can see, as I'm talking, it's being going louder and quieter as it normally does, but it can be anything with any sort of volume on it, so a video or anything like that. The source I'm going to select is the audio input capture. The start volume percent is going to be on 100 because it's on 100% volume right now, as you can see. This is 100%, this would be 0% as being off. So we're going to fade it down to 0 over time. So the final volume is 0%, and how long we want that to take, we'll say 2 seconds. So it's going to take 2000 milliseconds. Press done. Press done again, and now when we press the volume button, just watch the input just here. Volume, and it'll fade down just like so. So now we've created a little bit of a fader inside of LioranBoard and OBS that can happen naturally. So when an alert goes off, you could tie that to it and it'll bring down all your volumes as well. So let's do it the opposite way around now and create one that turns it up. So we'll copy the button and paste the button, edit the text, and we'll type 100, so volume 100. Edit the commands, and we'll do it the other way around. Start volume 0, and the final volume is 100. Press done again. Close that down. Volume 100 now. You'll see we'll start fading back up. Obviously, it looks like it fades really slow, fast at the beginning, then slow towards the end. It's because it works on basically a percentage structure. Like, this is super quiet. Like, your stream probably won't hear that at all. Minus 33 decibels. That is a lot to be very quiet, basically. But like I say, we've created a fader now to go up and down. And you can do that for any percentage. So for instance, if I wanted to create one that goes halfway, I can create another button. So we'll paste the button in there, change the text, and we'll say volume to 50. And we'll edit this command, and we can do start volume, we'll say is 100, and the final volume will be 50. Press done again, and we press that, and you'll see it will go down, take 2 seconds to go to half. It doesn't look like it's half on the scale because, again, the way the percentage ratio on audio is, like, I don't want to just go into all the depth and everything like that, but that is very quiet right now. 50% is minus 9 decibels. Just trust me, it's just the way it works, okay? Trust me. So there, you're probably thinking, yeah, but what happens if I'm on like 0% and I want to go to 50? That's not going to work like that. This is where you need to use variables, and we're going to talk more about variables in the future, but I'll show you a basic one right now. So if I press copy on this button, press paste, and I basically want it to go to volume 50% from anywhere. So we'll say anywhere. This is like a bit of a Brucey bonus. We're going to go more into variables and stuff. So I'm going to use an extra command just here. So I've copied the command and pasted it so I can paste one above. And I'm going to type in pull. So I can pull a source value. Okay, so the source I'm going to use is it's on the scene, and then it's audio input capture. So the scene is scene, audio input capture. And we're going to call this current underscore vol. Right now, so we're going to create a variable called current volume, and we're going to pull the volume just here. So the start volume is basically going to be the current volume. So if I do /$ current underscore vol $/ and the final volume is 50. So when I press that, no matter what I'm on, so if I'm on say 0 down here, if I press this, the current volume is that. So if I go all the way up to the top, current volume is that. So it doesn't matter where that is. So say if it's there and we want to go to 50, you'll see it'll start from there and go down to 50%. So that might be a little bit of a headache for a bit more advanced for you there, but I'm just going to start adding these little advanced steps in now.